Hi, this is Farming with Tyron and Karen. It's Farming with Tyron and Karen. So, it's Karen's birthday. I got her a prime steak para hindi na kaya tutupak. Okay. Perfection. Okay? So, luluto rin kami na ragu sa pizza. Tapos na to. Tupak. 8 minutes. Ito yung sa pangsipit natin. Natin ito. Okay. Perfect. Kasi na kaya sa atin to? Okay. Pwede nang tanggalin yung tupak. Yung paano gagawin natin. So, nagbibilang pa ako. So, gusto kong maging perfect yung steak para kay Karen. Tapos, bisita namin si Jingo. Bukas pa yung birthday niya. Kasi makikuha ako ng bato. Ito, pakuha ka ng bato. Si Mary ang ano na. Okay, so normally I cook it 1 minute 30 seconds sa isa, 1 minute 30 seconds sa kabila. Cooking it in a cast iron. Cooking it sa Okay. Kita mo, tupak. You wanna look at it? Siyempre, always masarap. Buhay pa ha. Wow! Oh my God! For your birthday. Ito mo naman si Karen. Happy birthday to you!
Yum!
So, trying to perfect yung your for your birthday. Ito yung steak nila meron. Okay lang po.
Oh, and then after the steak, you brought your sprout.
Ayan o. Okay. What is Karen?
Nandun sa loob. Alam na.
Pahawak mo naman sa kanya camera. Okay, so puro butter lang. No nothing. Yung lang, talagang medium rare, right?
Yeah?
I don't medium rare, no?
What's up?
Yep.
Ooh, wow! Tama yan?
Diba? Okay. So, stay tuned. Karen, say hi.
Hi!
Idol, say hi. Hi! Okay, so hiwain ko na to. Pagkahiwa ko, perfection. Oh my gosh. Can you see it?
Brussels sprouts are good now.
Oh, good.
I love Brussels sprouts.
What about this? Ay, nilulutong steak ko pa ka.
Wala.
Paano mo kay... Okay, sige. Hold up, can you ano? Yeah. Okay. So, this is medium rare. Special. Special for Karen.
Yay. Happy birthday to me.
Yeah. So I got this special beef for Karen. Birthday girl. Yeah. So, what do you think about this luto natin? I want it really, you know, like yung perfection.
I'm salivating.
You know, like hindi ko, like I only used salt and pepper. Hindi ko pinilit lagyan ng mga bawang or whatever, just to, and then I want it really cooked like this.
So we can, we can really taste the
So,
meat.
yeah, kasi this is a prime rib eye. Siyempre, special for your birthday. Yeah. Also, there's a way to cut it, like medyo degree, like this degree. And then against the grain, of course, you know. Pero, yeah. Yeah. So, I want the birthday girl to get the best part. I don't try it. Like,
It's so good!
hindi ko pa natitikman pero I think I got it.
What the heck? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I hope you like it, Karen. This is
I
the
love
Brussels
it.
sprout. Okay?
My favorite?
Brussels sprout. And then, ito yung ginawa kong pasta. Al dente. And then the ragu. Pepper long night for Karen. Okay. Pasta. Perfection. Si Ninungay. So, ito naman, yung ragu. I've been cooking this for the past 4 or 5 years or so. So, this is traditional Italian way of doing ragu. No shortcut, no everything. Tapos nakadiscover si Tupac ng magandang Kumuha kayo. Okay, kuha kayo Tupac ha. Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout. Ay, hindi mo lalagyan dito, okay? Just send it to me. Okay. Birthday dinner for Karen. with Idol Jinko in the house. Wow.
Kinuhanan kayo kumuha ng picture.
Kulang ako. Secret dyan, lots and lots and lots of olive oil. Ito pa. Kuha kayo. Tarihan, kuha na kayo. Okay, so... Ay, yung kanta ka na ng happy birthday. Bago tayo kumain. Tama ba yun?
Sa cake na.
So, not yet now.
Not yet.
Okay. Tikman mo nga. Try. Yung nga. The pasta. Hindi tayo idol ah.
Please, thank you.
Para merong laman. Bakaw. Ulo. Saan ba sumay idol? I hope sinabihan mo ko 5 nag-usap tayo, maghahanda tayo 5:14.
Ayan, meron na agad eh, no?
This is it. Masterclass.
Yeah.
You agree?
That's
Yeah.
effing awesome.
Very good.
Happy Cheers birthday.
Cheers, happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Idol.
How's the wine?
Good.
Ooh, that's good wine.
Good wine.
Good.
That wine's good
Good
with that.
pasta, bro.
This is really fucking good, ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so tupak yung sa inyo.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. O yan, wish.
Happy birthday.
Yay! Kasama mo si Mariam, bati ka naman, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Ano, sarap ka ba sa steak? Saka sa spaghetti. So, paano gagawin natin dito, Karen?
Slice!
Oh.
Slice
Oh,
and
slice and...
May po ka na maliit na platito. Ito. Ang nandito.
Okay, so...
Sa atin lahat.
O, paalam na tayo, Karen. It's a very short, it's a very short vlog. Pero, I hope you like yung niluto ko sa yung prime ribeye and
I
the
love
ragu spaghetti. Thank you very much for coming over, Idol. So, yan. Always remember, paalam ka na. Paalam ka na, Tupak. Dali mo. Okay. So, pakita mo si Freya. Freya?
Freya!
Come.
Freya!
Come. This is Freya, our Doberman. Okay. So, yan. Thank you very much, everyone. Karen, I hope you like yung mga niluto ko.
I love it. I love it.
Always remember, farmers are heroes. We love you all.
Bye.